Hello students, today I am here to teach you about the topic how to tell the time. Means समय कैसे बताएं. Dear students, this is very important topic for your daily use. So I am going to tell you how to tell the time. But before telling how to tell the time, I will tell you how you can ask the time. So how you can ask the time? Let me tell here. What is the time by your watch? This is traditional style to ask the time. Modern style, time please. What is the time by your watch? This is traditional style. Time please. This is modern style. So either sentence can be used to ask the time. Now I am going to tell how you can reply. Dear students, whenever someone asks time to us, in that condition, what can we say? Suppose it is 7, so we can say 7 बजे हैं और 7:15 बजे हैं और 7:30 बजे हैं और 6:45 बजे हैं और 7:10 हो रहे हैं और 7 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है. सो 10 minutes I am using here. 7 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है, but I am not saying that exact thing will be there. 7 के जगह 8 भी हो सकता है, 9 भी हो सकता है, 10 भी हो सकता है. And at the place of 10 minutes, it can be 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes, whatever will be there. But बोलने का तरीका सेम होता है. So I am going to tell you on 7. Suppose 7 बजे हैं. 7 बजे हैं. At first I want to tell you, whenever we tell time, we use it to start to tell the time. Whenever we tell time to someone, we use it. 7 बजे हैं. It is 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock means 7 बजे. Here I have to explain to you two things. The first thing about this o'clock, and second the apostrophe that has been given after O. Dear students, whenever the second and minute hand will be on 12, only then o'clock is used. Means जब सेकेंड और मिनट की सुई 12 बजे पे या 12 पे रहती है, only then we can use o'clock. This is the first thing. Second thing, this apostrophe has hidden F here. It means if we are going to remove this apostrophe, this sentence will become it is 7 o'clock. You must know it. Otherwise, if someone asks to you, what does this apostrophe mean? You will be confused. It's why I have told you. Second, शवा 7 बजे हैं. शवा. For शवा we use quarter past. What do we use? Quarter past. So again it is quarter past 7. Dear students, just I have told, whenever the hands of minute and second will be on 12, that can be called the needle, that we call the arms on the 12, only then we use o'clock. But here means suppose हमको अगर बोलना है कि 7:15 बजे हैं, तो 7:15 बजने के लिए हमारे दोनों नीडल जो होंगे, दोनों हैंड्स जो होंगे, जो वॉच की क्लॉक की जो दोनों हैंड्स होंगे वो 12 पे तो होंगे नहीं. इट्स वेरी क्लियर. So in that condition we will not write here o'clock. This must be known to you, otherwise you can make mistake. Now 7:30 बजे हैं, 7:30 बजे हैं. Again it is half past 7. It is half past 7. अगर हम ये कहने जाते हैं कि 6:45 बजे हैं, so for this pone, quarter-to is used. Quarter past means sawa and quarter-to means पौने. So 6:45 बजे हैं. Again it is quarter-to 7. Dear students, अगर हमें ये कहना है कि 7:10 हुए हों, 7:10 हो रहे हैं, और कह सकते हैं हुए हैं. सो हाउ? इट इज 10 minutes past 7. As we have written here quarter, so जैसे हमने क्या लिखा, 7:15 बजे हैं, so quarter has been written here. So at the place of quarter 10 minutes and past has been given here. It is 10 minutes past 7. 7:10 हो रहे हैं और 7:10 हुए हैं. अगर हमें ये कहना है, सपोज वी हैव टू से 7 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है. सो हाउ कैन वी टेल? It is. Here the place of quarter means it is 10 minutes to 7. So dear students, this process can be used to tell the time. Here 7 बजे हैं means exact at the place of 7. 8 can be there, 9 can be there, 10 can be there. Suppose 8 है इसके जगह पे, 8 बजे हैं, it is 7 o'clock के प्लेस पे हम क्या कह देंगे? instead of it is 7 o'clock we can say it is 8 o'clock. 7:15 बजे, instead of 7:15 8:15 is there. 7:15 बजे हैं, it is quarter past 8. it is 9:15, it is 10:15, it is 11:15, 7:30 बजे हैं, 7:30, 6:45 बजे हैं, क्वार्टर, ये क्वार्टर टू मीन्स पौने एंड क्वार्टर पास्ट मीन्स सवा। बजकर 10 मिनट, 7:10 हुए, जब एक्स्ट्रा मिनट्स होते हैं तो 10 मिनट्स पास्ट, और जब कम होते हैं तो 10 मिनट्स टू। हियर 7 बजने में 10 मिनट कम है, इट मीन्स इट इज 10 मिनट्स टू 7। सो दिस प्रोसेस कैन बी यूज्ड to tell time. Now I am going to tell in short. साढ़े means half past, sawa means quarter past, पौने means क्वार्टर टू, 10 मिनट ज्यादा मीन्स 10 मिनट्स पास्ट, 10 मिनट कम मीन्स 10 मिनट्स टू। सो इन शॉर्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू, साढ़े को हाफ पास्ट कह सकते हैं, सवा मीन्स क्वार्टर पास्ट, पौने मीन्स क्वार्टर टू, 10 मिनट ज्यादा हो, 5 मिनट ज्यादा हो, इन दैट कंडीशन हियर मिनट्स आफ्टर दैट पास्ट, इफ लेस इज देयर, कम है, सो हियर मिनट्स एंड देन 2 एंड आफ्टर दैट वट एवर टाइम इज देयर, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever is there. So like that you can tell time easily. Please watch the video from beginning to ending, learn how to tell the time, be smart, and if you face any kind of problem you can write to me in the comment box or you can call me. I'm always available to provide my assistance. Thank you.